All right, I'm down. Dusted off or blowed off. Dad said he's got a truck ready to go, so we're gonna go get it. This is our temporary fix for brake lights wanting to stay on. We'll see you at the field. All right, we made it to the field. We parked this truck a little farther back, but we need to cut some limbs off this big old tree. That is a big old tree. But Dad's got the end rows off its edge of the field. He's working on the other side. Got a truck down there on the other side for him. And we're gonna go get this one dumped. Oh, I better fix the brake lights. Stupid brake lights. Get the strap. Hook it to the pedal. And hook it to the steering wheel. Yay. We'll have to get that addressed this winter. There's that load of corn. Dad could have probably fed a little more on that, but he wanted me to go ahead and get her dumped. A little bit of airflow in the truck here. Rid of that corn. Oh, I got baited in the truck. Back to the house we go. See when we get there. All right, let's see if we made it on the scale. This truck we can weigh all at the same time. Just got to make sure you get it all on the scale. And I don't think I did. Doggone it. That was close, not quite. Now, guarantee it, because I moved over. All right, good to go. All right, I'm gonna weigh this truck. Got that to where we need it to be. That is on 10.5, so let's put it on 10 for easy math. And probably weighs, I think it weighs that much. Well, yeah, it would, because we're weighing the whole truck. Never mind. So there's 25,000. So 25.3. $25,275 is what I'm going to call it. Okay, write this down. That is on beans, so we need to find our corn. That was last year's. There we go. Corn 23.84. And this bin is going to go where it came from. What did I say? 25,275. All right. We're gonna go get her dumped. All right, we're gonna check our settings. Dad moved this earlier and looks like it's in the bin it's supposed to be in. Gonna start our leg. And start our pit. And then we're gonna run just a little bit out, and then we're gonna go make sure it's running into the bin that it's supposed to be running into. All right, I hear corn in that bin. I don't know if you guys can. We should be good to go. Make sure it gets clear, the leg does clear out first. Yep. Alright, so we're going to figure out how many bushels of corn we had on this. So, we go to calculator. We had 25,275. This truck weighs 11,000. No, this truck is lighter than that. This one's 10,900. So that's how many pounds of corn we had on that. And 56 pounds to the bushel. So we had approximately 257 bushel on that truck. We are going to erase this as it's no longer empty and clean. And write 2. Oops. All right, write what we have in there, not just how many bushels. What year it is. 257. All right, we'll get her finished unloaded. That truck's empty. There's the corn. Slowly moving in there. Feeds from this side, so it's a little lower over here. There you go. Pick that up, get rid of it. We'll drive the truck around. Usually double check, make sure the pit's empty. Which I can see that it is, and here that it is. There's the flashlight. And there's the bottom of the pit. All right, back down the field we go. There's the path Dad made through the field. He's down on the other end somewhere. We'll see if we can find him before he gets that truck full. Alright, I'm walking to get a truck here on the other end of the field, and you saw Dad busting through the field there. Had corn on either side of him still. His truck is full down here, and that's where we're headed to get it. He needed it down here to get the end rows off, and then we're going to try to load mostly from the other end of the field till we get to the north end, and then we'll load out on this side of the field just because it doesn't go near as far back to the road because of the river. There's this end of the field. Got the end rows all off it. And I think Dad got her full. Oh boy. It's time to head to the house and get this one dumped. front end of this truck weighed 76.75. I'm gonna move the bottom of this, and I'm gonna move this to 26, 26.5, 27, too much. So somewhere in the 26.5 range. Well, I said so. We are 26,975 on the back end. All right. Let's go get this truck dumped. So I'm confident this corn's dry, but for kicks and giggles, let's do a moisture test. So, grain type is 1 for corn, I believe. Let's double check that, but I'm pretty sure that is. Yep, corn. So we gotta pour slowly. $13.6. I want the corn to be at least 15. So we're in good shape. Not super duper dry, but it's plenty dry. There was 404 bushel on that truck. Brings the total to 661 in the bed. Truck's getting on the verge of being empty. It's our the biggest of our 3 trucks. It's only about a 250 bushel pit. And I think our leg takes somewhere around 500 bushel an hour or thereabouts if you really push it. And so we're running into capacity issues here, so we got to run her slow until we can get it out, and then we'll do a little cleanup once we get the truck empty and wait for it to empty out and go back down to the field. Dad just got that truck filled up there. This one should be ready to go. Double check it. Yep. We're gonna talk for a second. Which one you want me to take? Well, I'll be down here faster again if I get it up to 84 first. Okay. Well, sounds fine. Everything sounds fine, so. Probably counting rows, so he didn't end up with a row of shame. And there he goes, busting through it again. All right, let's get up to the house and get this truck that's in the lead dumped. Hey guys, just been dumping some trucks for Dad this afternoon here. Pretty redundant stuff. Haven't had a lot of chance to get combine footage, so I'm sorry about that, but take a little bit here and there. But we're currently dumping this truck here. Suns are going down. And I just wanted to say thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm really trying to make this work, and I hope somewhere along the line these videos take off. So please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of these videos, and I'll keep trying to tailor them to what you like. Anyway, Have a good one. We'll see you next time. Just putting her to bed for the night.